MMA Muslim fan base, don't be a pussy, don't run away. If you are supporting a Muslim fighter just because you're a Muslim, there is no wrong in that. Why you are like, oh my goodness, no, I support them because they are like skilled or this and that. No, you support them because they are Muslim. They are supporting against you just because they are Muslim. Why you can't support your own brotherhood? I have my balls here so that I can stand up and say this, that you are a hater of Islam not because of his skill set. You are a hater of Islam because of his religion. Trust me, bro. I know you guys. I know. And don't worry, I don't need any support from anybody. I can do it. It doesn't matter 100 200. Bro, I had 13-14k on Instagram. I criticized the government and government deleted my account. I don't care. I created one more account. So what? Like, it doesn't fucking matter, bro. अगर सही चीज के लिए खड़े हो रहे हो, it doesn't fucking matter. मैं चैलेंज करता हूँ, आज के टाइम पे जो भी बंदा इस्लाम मखाशिफ या कोई भी एक मुस्लिम फाइटर के अगेंस्ट फाइट करेगा, then what you guys will do? You will support them. Why? Because you hate not Islam, you hate the religion what he follows. Let's call it is what it is, bro. Don't be a pussy. At least जो भी तुम्हारा opinion है, put it out there. Be a hater. Because of that, I hate this guy. It's fine. It's fine. You can say that. Why you are running inside the blanket? Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this guy because he hugs a lot. But at the same time, I like Saeed Nurmagomedov को hug करके रखा था Bryce Mitchell. You do this. You do this. Why you're a hypocrite about this, bro? I know. I have backbone. I have balls. That's why I'm saying it. अगर इस्लाम मखाशिफ के अलावा कोई और बंदा होता, do you really think you would have said Jon Jones is the GOAT or GSP is the GOAT? Trust me, bro. Trust me. I know your skin. I know. I can see inside you. You would have said, Islam is the GOAT, or Charles is the GOAT. Anybody, name them. Alex is the GOAT. Ilya is the GOAT. Anybody. Jones. Bro, Jon Jones का resume का लोग चीड़ फाड़ कर देते हैं. But same thing I did, and we're like, oh, you are saying Jon Jones at that point of time. I can break down every single one of the resume, and you cannot deal with it, bro. When I speak like this, I speak facts. You don't have balls to hate anybody like जैसे बोल के, bro. I hate Ilya because of the fan base and the way he talked. I'm a troll of Ilya, and it is what it is. It's fucking fine. When you are fighting and you win, then you will get the popularity and appreciation. When you lose, when you're talking like shit, then you will get the hate and trolls. You have to deal with it. You don't have to cry. Oh, he's in the difficult phase of his life. His wife, divorce ho gaya hai, and this and that. Why the fuck I care? I'm criticizing inside the octagon. I'm not saying कि इलिया तोपुरिया ने मारा होगा उसकी wife को जाके. I never said that. You shit in your pants. You quit on your stool. That's what. And we have 2 fucking belts. That's why you are jealous. You are saying Islam hugged. Do you see the head kick 6-3? Do you see the judo throw of Islam? Did you see the 5th round में trip करके rear naked choke जो लगा रहा था? Did you see that? Did you appreciate that कितना fast उसने back लिया था? Did you see कितना जल्दी उसने hook डाला था? Did you see the body triangle कितना fast? So you cannot. You are just a hater. Oh, it's a boring fight. It's not. Bro, it's MMA. I'm boxer myself. I'm saying it's MMA. You have to love every aspect of the game. He had that 3,000 years for train for this only, and then he got taken down. Whose problem is this? Whose problem this? It's Islam's problem that he got taken down, or it's Ian Gary's problem कि वो उठ नहीं पा रहा था. So अगर कोई superior skill set में है तो क्यों boxing करेगा? Just for your enjoyment. Go watch WWE. Go watch some sweet chin music. Roman Reigns का Superman punch, और कितने हैं केज से कोई frog splash मारा. Go watch that, bro. What's wrong with you? Why you're just a hater just because? Don't hide under the blanket saying ki I hate just because he were hugging. Bro, don't be a pussy. Be a man and say I hate him just because of this. You are so hypocrite. When somebody is fighting like that you say hugging, and same time पे जब सईद नरमागोमेदोव को ब्राइस मिचेल ने हराया था, then you will be like enjoying, wow, what a performance by Saeed. You are hypocrite. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा बोल रहा हूँ. I'm saying good performance for Islam, and I said that time as well, like that was a good performance from Bryce Mitchell as well. I'm not hypocrite like you. When I talk about Jon Jones resume, तो you guys will like, oh, Jon Jones का resume, don't compare. But when I say it कि खबीब का resume भी अच्छा है, look at RDA, उसके बाद title जीता, then like, don't talk about Khabib, man. Then you guys are hypocrite. I'm not saying Khabib is the GOAT. I never said that Khabib is the GOAT of all time. Ha 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 ha. He's the GOAT of all time. Like, no Islam, no Jones. I never said that. I always said that he's the best fighter of all time, best talent of all time. No fucking doubt about it. And I'm doubling down to it on in this video, bro. So I'm not gun shy about any fucking thing. And go in the comment section how people say, oh, it's just because he's Muslim, just because he's Muslim. Why not Muslim? If somebody will fight from India and they'll fight against Dagestani, I will fucking support them. Doesn't fucking matter. I saw a lot of people like against Ankit Bayanpuria. What happened? I supported him. I supported him. I said that, like, why not? He did well. Like, Indian community को grow कर रहा है. Everybody was trashing. Oh, what the fuck this Bayan Puria did. But what I said, अगर suppose करो Islam हार जाता, do you really think you guys will spare my life? Or anybody जो इस्लाम को सपोर्ट करता है would have killed them in the comment section कि oh he lost the title fight. Now what? We have 2 fucking belts. Now you jealous bitch. Now you're saying oh just because you're Muslim you support it. Shut the fuck up. Yes, they are supporting just because they are Muslim. It's fucking fine. What's wrong with you? You are supporting the opponent just because they are Muslim. Why they can't support their brotherhood, bro? What the hell is wrong with you? What's brain rot क्यों रखा है? Why you are brain rotted and why this kind of hatred in like एक community के against में? What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? When MMA Guru said something about कि Muslims are inbred, then you guys were laughing. Oh, MMA Guru said this, but nobody had the ball and the backbone कि आके बोले कि no, he said the bad thing about Muslim fighter. Nobody had that. Everybody was enjoying. I saw that shit. That's why I created this channel, bro. Nobody had the balls to stand up and say against this kind of bullshit. पहले कोई नहीं था जो डिफेंड करता था, बट अब मैं हूं, अब मैं डिफेंड करूंगा एंड आई टेक योर एसेस लाइक माई लाइफ डिपेंड्स ऑन इट. तो कोई भी तुम्हारा गलत नैरेटिव और ये सारी चीजें चलेगी नहीं, बिकॉज like now I'm gonna defend every single your galat point towards the fan base or towards the community. So be ready what you are talking, because I'm watching and I'm gonna take your asses, bro. Get ready for that shit as well, because if you're right then you are right, but if you are saying wrong stuff then yeah, bro. Get over here. MMA Guru, तुम्हारे अच्छे दिन खत्म हो गए. अब now I'll fuck you up. Don't worry about it, bro. It doesn't fucking matter. 500 1000 subscriber, it doesn't fucking matter, brother. It doesn't fucking matter. I'm gonna post it, I'm gonna call it out. Doesn't fucking matter. No question if and buts. Yes, they are a Muslim fighter and they get supported by the Muslim fan base. There is no wrong in that. So shut the fuck up and peace out.